guys are so big. Look at them. Those could be couples. Damn it. Okay guys, so I'm leaving Jofe now. And it's gonna be a lovely trip. It is quite sunny, it is quite a nice weather, and I'm really enjoying this drive. All right, so come with me. It's already 4 minutes past 3, and I still have 15-minute drive. If there's no traffic, all right, I'll be there before 3:30. I can make some videos. Yeah, come with me. It's because I branch at the supermarket or the shopping mall to get the gears that I never had. That's why I had this delay. But then it's good to go. So that is it. Wildlife. Yep. Let's go, guys. So you're being welcome. Thank you. Okay, we are finally here. So everywhere is so nice, so green. You can see for yourself. Guys, so I'm finally here in the zoo. Yeah, and I got my ticket, just 2 BD. So I'll be showing you around the beautiful animals that we have here in the zoo. All right, guys. So yeah, little house for kids. So if you're gonna bring your kid in Arim, Arim. Yeah, this is Arim, right? Arim Park in the zoo. You might want to come to have them ride in any of these. And this is my brother. Where are you from, bro?
Bahrain.
I could see the face. All right, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys are doing a major job, like making kids to come close to nature, being able to ride horse. Yeah, that's great. That's great.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And here we have another one. So nice in color. What breed is these are? The breed? Just a horse, no special breed. The guy is friendly. I can touch it. Guys, I'm doing that a little bit scared. Though I'm a biologist, but then I think animals are friendly. Yep, you can see. Yeah. Sultan. Oh, this is a big guy. The name is Sultan. And this is Dana. It's a lady. And this is a man. All right, that is great. I see me here with Sultan. Sultan is the man here. And here I have Dana. Hello, Dana. Nice lady. Wow, it's amazing here, guys. All right, thanks, brother. Yes, guys, so finally we are right here. And I'm doing a horse riding. You can see how good this place is. Yeah, it's actually a nice place. And I'm told, from what I read on Google, it is the biggest in Bahrain. All right, so let's take it on and see where we are gonna be seeing some of the animals. So over here you have ducks. Now ducks, man, the guys, their environment always suit them. Hello, kitty kitties. Oh, these are water turtles. Can you see them? Those are water turtles. Yeah, and they are cohabiting. Now this is something about animals. You see, animals of different species can really cohabit together, and they are fine once there is no predator among them. All right, that's great. So let's get into the little history of these turtles. We are told they are red ear strided Trachomys creta elegans. That's their scientific name. I think they are brown. So do you find this one? Yep. Swimming across and over here. Yeah, they are having fun. Amazing. So right here we have the nice bird walkthrough aviary. All right, so let's go there. Trying to see the birds. that are living here. Hi. All right, guys. Wow, that's really nice. Yeah, we are at the Barre Zoo. Yeah, you have the pigeons. Yeah, they are in a separate cage. The pigeons and some other birds. Okay. All right. I think this palm tree have been attached there for them to perch on and also build nests from it. All right. So these are different types of parrots. Yeah, different types of parrots. Yes, guys. So right behind me are the birds. Yep. You can see them living happily. Hello, little man. How are you? You like strangers? All right. I just added to the number of strangers that are coming to visit you guys. Okay, guys. So, yeah. So in this cage, you have the birds, and they are actually mixed species of birds. And here we have the beautiful peacock. Wow, can you fly? Let us see the view of your feathers. All right. Going to see if we can fly. Hello, can you fly, Madam Peacock? Yep. Can you run? I want to see your feathers. And these are younger ones. Wow. And here we have these, let's say, um, traditional, should I call them traditional fowls? We call it country fowl for where I come from in Cameroon. They are very, very good and long lasting. And if you were going to think of using them as a meal, they are very tasty, you know, more than what you have that you get from the market. The ones that are mostly being, grown within very short time. Okay, guys, so leaving there now, let's move. Yeah, well, we are still seeing some different species of birds over here. Man, these are the younger ones. They can really look small, but then see when it's big. Oh my good God. These guys are really, really a giant kind of bird. Yeah, they are. Okay, guys, let's see what is here. Oh, still we have turtles. Yeah, all right. These are still turtles that we saw the other time there. That guy is chilling. Hello, little man. See the way he's looking at me. Little man, wanna come over here? You want me to take you to Manama? All right, guys. So that is amazing. It's an amazing one. That guy is running away. Come on, I don't catch guys. Come over here. Why are you running? These are the bird of the water. All right, so amazing. And this one here is basking. Yeah, it's basking. Hey man, you gonna catch your breath? You've been swimming all day, right? You need some rest, I suppose. Yeah, you're a great guy. You're a great guy. All right, so there we go. All right, so here we are. So guys, I'm taking you somewhere else now, where we are gonna be seeing some different kinds of animals, and I hope you're enjoying it so far. Okay, let's go. Not alone, yeah. We have different guys here with me. It's a beautiful place to be in. Okay. Wow. All right, guys. These are. All right, so you can see them there. They are not afraid. Someone is trying to scare you. Guys, it's beautiful, right? Yeah. So then here we have the smaller birds. They're up everywhere. And right behind me, we also got some different species of birds. So what I understand is the smaller birds fly into the nest of or the cage of the bigger birds. So you see, they have their little holes within which they go get a rest, or it serves as a nest to them. You can see it right there. Yeah, amazing, guys. So these are the Arabian oryx. Yeah, there are two different types here, the Arabian oryx and the Arin gazelle. All right, so they are from Arabian Peninsula. So the Arabian oryx, you can see the little boy giving them food. Hello, enjoying your food. Oh, this poor guy's here, still wants to eat. Okay, thank you, man. This is for another guys, all right? Okay, so you can see how beautiful it is, guys. Hey, come on, man. Don't eat the stick. I have food for you. Come here. I have food for you. Don't eat the stick, okay? So here we have the Equus africanus asinus. So these are donkey. Yeah, they are actually from Africa based on the scientific name. They are Equus africanus asinus. All right. Hey, let me feed you. You're from my continent, okay? Man, but I don't like your teeth. Okay, I actually don't like those teeth. Yeah, so like any other animal, I've been able to feed this guy who's from Africa too. But man, the teeth are funny. Hey man, I want to ask a little question. Do you ever take a time to brush your teeth? No, you don't. All right, no worries. If you're okay with that. The ring-necked ostrich. Where are the ring-necked ostrich? These guys are not to be played with. Hey, this guy looks dreadful. Man, I'm afraid it might pick on me. Let me try. Yeah, these guys are big. Man, look at it. Now, this is a very big ostrich. I was actually afraid it might, use its beak on my head, and that would be a very bad scenario. Wow. So you can see there. Amazing guys. You can eat this, man. You cannot. So they are really big. Imagine you see this walking right behind you in the jungle. What will you do? See how big they are. So here we have the emu. It is a Dramus nevolus hollandias. That's, I suppose, the scientific name, from Australia. I suppose those are them. They are far away. These guys are coming, man. I cannot be your friend. You guys are pretty much too big. I can't be your friend. Sorry, sir. Sorry to disappoint you, okay? I can't be your friend. Guys, basically, these are my other friends, but like, I'm afraid these guys can use their beak on me. Did you see how big they are? Let me see. See how big they are. Man, these are so big. Look at them. Those could be couples. Damn it. Yeah, those are the Hollandians, and those big guys there that we just saw are the red-necked ostrich, and these are the Hollandians. The Hollandians were not there when I came. Come over here. You're a little man. Emu. I'm not afraid of you. Man, but these guys look wide. Okay, so I'm succeeding in feeding it. All right. Okay. I want to go back to my kids in peace. These beaks are not something you want to come next to your finger. Not even the big ones. All right, that's good. Okay. Get it. Nice. Okay, guys. So this is me feeding this guy. And it looks like we are becoming friends now. Take a close look at the eyes. They are frightful, man. What's up? Me, I'm just feeding you. Be cool with me, okay? All right, have a nice day. See you, man. See you. It was actually enjoying. All right, guys. So being done there, I want to go to another region. All right. So you can see back all the way from my back. So let's get to somewhere else. We just left the donkey. Good. So if you are thinking you're coming here to see some kind of crazy wild animals, sorry that you got disappointed just as I did. All right, so those are the goats there. They're always good with climbing and eating from the stem of plants and the leaves of short plants as well, like shrubs and herbs. All right, guys. So yeah, that's a short guy around here. So he was trying to like let me see what's going on, and also trying to get a customer for himself, you know. Okay, so yeah, so it's beautiful out here. Banagash Desert Plants Garden. Okay, so these are plants garden. I guess we can come here. So over here we're supposed to see different plants. All right, yeah. Okay, so you have the cactus and different members of the family of aloe vera as well. All right, so those are you can see them, desert plants, cactus and all the like. Wow. The class, you can see the class. It's this kind of palm tree, the date palm tree, probably called class. And then here we have aloe veras, very healthy and nutritional. So that's what we have there. Yeah, this is really good. I hope I'll be able to cover all of these beautiful animals. So over there we have a camel. Man, these guys are like very high. Arin Park here in Bahrain, precisely Salak. All right, do we have any animals here? Okay, we don't have any. All right, that's a little bridge I was on. Okay, so right now I'll be taking you inside the other end. So guys are having fun. One video for that shot. Alright, let's go. Wow, guys, I must tell you, it's quite different here. The feeling is so amazing. It's breathtaking. It's breathtaking, guys. So nice. So it's more like a desert. I am in a wonderland. Hello. All right, so I'll get to the end of it and see what is there. All right, guys. So here we have a signpost that reads Pennisetum divisum, the Bristol grass. We are told is a perennial desert plant, grows up to 1 meter. It is a grazing plant for animals, or rather grazing plants for animals. So that is Pennisetum divisum. This is a desert plant that can grow up to 1 meter. All right, so you can see them there. Yeah. Those are them. All right, let's go forward. I guess we're gonna be seeing more of the Pennisetum divisum. Yeah. All right, so this feels like I'm in a lonely place, and there is almost a natural atmosphere, the breath, the wind, It's very mild. And you have got to know that the animals that you have here are not basically from Bahrain. They are brought around the globe. Like we saw the donkey from Africa, we saw the ostrich from Australia. We saw, hosts of them from different countries. Yeah. And I guess there we also have different animals. Did you get the sound of the bird? That shows you're far from the urban life. You're enjoying nature. So this is the red deer, the Cavus elaphus. Yeah, the red deer, Cavus elaphus. Europe. They are from Europe, Iran, parts of Western Asia, and Central Asia. All right. I kept thinking I'll go back, but the closer I get, the farther I want to go. Because it keeps getting interesting. See the birds of the flower, very rich with dead leaves and stems of dead plants, and that makes it to have additional manure, making it suitable for plants to grow. I just picture a very big redneck ostrich. Where has it gone to? Where has it gone to? I picture it where? Okay, there it is. So you can see it leaving. It's running away. So can you see? It's kind of trying to run away. It's afraid of me. And for a second I was thinking I should be afraid of it. So do you see it there? Another one there. So yeah, alright guys, so can you see them over there? Like, man, see, let me zoom in. Can you see them? Yeah, those are the guys. So over here they are living like in the natural habitat. They don't see people unless you have to walk like me to this extent, and you will rarely have people that are gonna walk like this to come to them. I'm so happy that I could come this far. We just have a lot of them. Picture another one, but they're afraid of me, guys. Alright guys, so this is me here all alone, wishing that the shuttle is gonna come this way again and pick me. If not, I have to walk for more 10 minutes or so. But then I'm discovering a lot at the same time, trying to meet some of the birds like the ostrich living like in their natural environment where there is little or no interference of humans. So they are more free out here. Guys, I heard the bird make a sound. They made a sound, and for a second I was like, is there gonna be an attack? You never can trust wild animals. It's running away. Yeah, it's running. Come and see. It's running away. Now they are all hidden behind the little shrubs. You see, they are all hidden behind there. So I cannot picture them again. It's amazing, guys. It is. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys. I can go further because the road keeps going. I cannot go further. See, the road keeps going, so I cannot go further. If I do, it may take me a longer time to come back. This house is there. Let me see where this road goes. I can see houses over there. If they can take me back. Man, I'm enjoying it, but I feel like I've gone too much far inside. So I need to go back before I find it difficult getting back. If I had the whole time, I wouldn't mind. But they also close at 5, and it is already 11 minutes after 5, after 4 rather. I have to stick to the rules. Man, guys, I've really walked for some time now. So I have to take a U-turn. Yeah, guys, so I had to run fast from where I was. It was really far away in order to come here. Hello, man. How are you? Say hello to the camera. Yeah. All right. So these are the sheep we have here. Bird. Bird. All right, guys. So over here now, we have a mist. The birds are coming into the cage of the zebras. There we have the zebras behind us. Right, guys, so over here I am where we have different kind of sheep. So we have this is Irani goat, domestic goat. It is Capra, Agagus, Hicus. Yeah, Southwest Asia and Eastern Europe. You can find them there. So yeah, these are what we got here. Also, we have some other, probably these are rams. You can see the horns on their head. And guys, come here. I now have lift to give you guys should come around. All right, guys, so you can see them. Those are the ram there. You know, they are Ovis avis. You find them in Europe and Asia. All right, guys, so yep, so this is the Bahrain Wildlife Center for you. You can see those other guys there, they have their little hut. Why not go there? I guess those huts are helping them during the hot season, since temperature during July, August are very high here in Bahrain. It can be as high as up to 45 degrees Celsius. So these little huts may be where they go to cool down. Yeah, and maybe also take bath from there. So here we also go. These are different breeds, yeah, of sheep. These are the domestic Nemims, the domestic Nemi sheep. Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. That's where they are coming from. All right, guys, so those are the guys there. All right. It's a big family here, right? All right, guys, so okay. So this is what we have: blue white beast, Conochestes tyrannus. They are basically from Angola, Botswana, Kenya, Mozambique, South Africa, Switzerland, Tanzania, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So basically from Africa. Salam. So here we have a peacock. Hey, come on, this is a smaller one. I wish it was big enough so we could see the beautiful colors. Alright. So I'm gonna take you to the region where we have the birds. Alright guys, so come with me. Let's go through this park and see what we have here. Those are the zebras. Right behind me, you can see the zebras. All right. They are mixed up with the wild beast. And here we see the wild beast. So you can see them feeding. They are the wild beast. They are feeding. They are basically from Zimbabwe, Kenya, Botswana, South Africa, Mozambique, Gambia. Yep. All right. So come, let's go. All right. So this is cage of other birds. Yep. Hey, come over here, man. You can see that guy there. They are all in the cage and having some good time. Yeah. Come on. Wow. Hello. Saying hello to you guys. Having a good day, right? So these are the Bertalu. Their scientific name is Deratopius edatus. They are from Zimbabwe, generally Africa and Arabia. As you can see them. Like the camera. Alright. Okay. So you can see the beauty of the garden. Yeah. It's colorful, right? You see the birds. Wow. That's awesome, guys. It is. Beautiful. I want it to fly. These guys are too bold. They're not afraid. They're like men. So yeah. So they have little huts in which you can sit down. Yeah. Little hut. Oh man. Yeah. Little hut within the park. So you can see me sitting and relaxing beside wildlife. Alright, see how good it is. Man, I like this. This is so nice design. In my tribe, we use it as drum, traditional drum. It produces good sound. We call it a timber, but it's not, the opening is not this big. Alright. This is another sitting area. So cozy. Whew. Man, I wish I could just sit here all night long. I wish I could sit here all night long. Wow. I wish I can just sleep here all through my night and enjoy this beautiful nature around me. Yeah, sadly, I have to leave it. Yeah, it looks like we're having a traditional water war. Where is the traditional water? Oh, this is it. Alright. So basically, it's traditional, you see, made of wood. Yeah, actually actually is made of wood, and these are also wood. And the only metal is this one that lies across the pillars. This is really beautiful. Salam alaikum. So over here we have African goats. I remember when I was a kid, I usually help my dad and then bring these goats. We take them to the fields and bring them back in the evening when it is sunset. It's amazing. Yeah. Alright, moving from there, guys. You might want to come here with your loved ones to at least have a walk. Have a walk. Moments like this are special. Come here with your family. Come have a walk. Come and enjoy this beautiful space. Alright. It's a moment you don't want to miss. Alright. I guess that is just a lot happening here. So these are the beautiful birds. So wow. You know, it's bedtime and they are kind of like taking their last shower before going to bed. Right? Amazing. Okay, let's have a close look of them. Hello. Wow. So beautiful. Colorful feathers there. So nice. The colors are just so nice. Pink, very brilliant color. And those are the big boys over there. Yeah. Alright. So guys, it's actually very beautiful over here. As you can see, the Kingdom of Bahrain has done a great job by providing this in the middle of a desert, this wildlife that looks really, really natural. See, the guys are living in their natural environment. So awesome. So if you have never been to this, come to Arin Zoo and enjoy yourself. Alright guys, so it's a nice place over here. Come and catch the fun and enjoy the view that you have all around you. Alright, so this is amazing. Hey, go to bed. That guy is dark. If you don't look kingly, you might not see it. Come on, go to bed. We don't got time to eat. Alright guys, so it's time to go. Alright, so you can see that's a stage there for performance. Maybe they have an event. Alright. So that bird is already ready to go to bed. Let me show you. You can see it's going to bed already. All right. Hello, man. You guys should go sleep. Okay, guys. So this is how beautiful it looks like. I won't say I've been able to go through the park because I went deep into the jungle within the park. But then it's been a nice time, and I would love to come again and also do full documentary with some of the patrol team, or let's say those that are there available to patrol and tell me the history of some of these birds and how they got into Bahrain. So always make sure to follow. And yeah, so we also do have a coffee shop here. So it's not a boring place after all. It's from here that we are gonna leave. They are telling you thank you before you leave. So let me show you what happens in the coffee shop. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. So yeah, it's a coffee shop. If you're coming, you can get yourself a coffee, relax with your family. It's actually, they have some of the pictures of the birds. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so that was it over here. I'll be driving back to Jaffa. It's a 40-minute drive. It's gonna be a long one, but I hope you enjoy the trip with me, and I look forward to do more of this. Don't forget to like, share, to comment, and follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more of our videos about the beautiful places in Bahrain. All right, you never thought Bahrain would have a place this green, but I guess this has shocked you, and there are many more of this kind in Bahrain. Many different gardens, many different parks, which I'm gonna be covering. So stay tuned to my channel to make the best time of it. All right, so at this point, I'll be walking out of this beautiful garden. I feel like I shouldn't go. Yeah, because it's so amazing. But everything has got to come to an end, sadly. So if you miss nature, guys, and you want to be around nature, come over here. Come to Iron Park and enjoy the nature that Bahrain is offering you. So you see, it's actually so beautiful. Try to keep to those rules. All right. And we say thank you for watching also. Make sure you visit here. Bye, guys. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving the beautiful garden. I feel like crying. It's amazing. Yeah, so Bahrain has places that are this green. So always use the opportunity to come in. We have shops where you get some traditional stuffs. So you can buy some traditional stuffs here. It's time to drive to Manama. It's time to drive to Manama. Away from this beautiful place. It's now time to go to Manama. Yeah. So I'll be driving home. Yeah, check it out. The walk was good. It was so filled with fun and caregiving and excitement, you know. Yeah, because finding places like this in the middle of the desert is amazing. You are in Europe and Africa, you see this everywhere in your neighborhood. You step out, you're seeing it, but right here we appreciate everything we see. and we really thank our government that makes places like this to exist, because children get to see wildlife that are not in the desert, right here in the desert, and that is amazing. All right guys, I'm signing out. Don't forget to subscribe to Bernice TV for more of these videos. I'll be going to Bahrain Fort and covering different aspects in Bahrain. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again. I'm out right now. Catch you. All right guys, yeah, it was really a successful day. Yeah, so you can see me driving home, but something was not going on right. I couldn't find my car pulling the way it should pull, and so the noise was also coming from outside to the inside, so I had to park and do some safety check. Then I realized I had a flat tire from the right back tire, and that was really a difficult situation. You could see me looking around if I could get help. Good enough, our petrol station was just some few, like 3-minute drive away, but the tire was flat and I couldn't stay there. Also, this is away from the city, so I had to carry on with that condition so it could help. I can have some help when I go to the filling station. And yes, I did. A good day that was turning to be a bad one, but then no day is ever bad for me, because everything I make success out of it. Yeah, that's life. And if you travel with cars, you should always expect situations like this. They are not strange, they do happen. And so I was okay to go with it. The only problem was I was moving with my wheels. As you can see, it's completely grounded. Yeah, but then I had help and I was back on the wheel and I was quickly going home. That's it. A good day is trying to turn bad, but it's not going to turn bad. It's normal. If you have a car, things like this do happen. So, aluminum wheels, man, it's not easy. Okay, let me see my spare tire. I hope it's intact. So that's good enough. My spare part was still good. So to alright, you guys, I hope you're not filming. I hope you guys are not gonna film me, right? Finally, I was able to get my tire fixed, and now I'm driving back to Manama. Yeah, it's like that. It's always like that. It was a good day after all. So, alright guys, keep following, keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing to Bernice TV. Alright, so right now I'm gonna cover my journey back home, and so you guys get to see